one. And oh my gosh, my hands are so dry. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra and I'm here today with another video. Today I am trying soap brows, which I'm curious on how this is going to turn out. So soap brows, TikTok brows, I don't know. I discovered this from TikTok. Soap brows have been around for a really long time. People have been doing it for years and years, but I discovered it off of TikTok. I saw girls doing it and I really love the natural brow look, and I also feel like no matter how much I try, I can't get my brow like as snatched. You know, as some people, it just like looks like it's painted on. I can't do that. So I'm like, you know what? Work with what you got, you know, do the natural brow thing. Also, I just have a really hard time. Like, I love my Fenty products. I love the Fenty brow wax. I do feel like that locks my brows in the best out of most things that I've tried. But also the wax does a little bit like, you lose some hair sometimes with it, and I feel like still, like it lasts the longest, but still, I don't know. It's like I have these unruly parts of my brow, which is why I just like left the brows the way they go. Like, you see this gap right here? I don't know. There's some pieces that just curl up and they do not want to stay in place at all. And so I heard that soap brows really lock them in place. So I was like, I'm gonna try soap brows, you know, I'm gonna try it because the next step is brow lamination. So maybe I should try soap brows before I almost fry off my brows, you know what I'm saying? Because I have the lamination kit, I already bought it. It's the next thing I'm gonna do if I can't naturally get these things to lay down. But I don't know, I'm kind of scared that I'll fry off my eyebrows, and I'm kind of scared about that. But yes, so I decided that I'm going to try soap brows. So I did some research, and you need a translucent soap bar. So I got this Pears one. This is the one that's most talked about, I guess. This bar soap I just got off of Amazon. I think it was like $3 or $4. So pretty inexpensive. I got 2 for that price. So yeah, pretty inexpensive compared to like some eyebrow gels and stuff like that. So, and this will definitely last you a while. So you need this transparent soap and some kind of setting spray. So yeah, you make this little paste with the setting spray. So I'm gonna try that first. So now that I'm all zoomed in, I'm gonna start making this paste. So I'm just spraying this. Just putting a little spray in there. And then what I've seen is that you just need to kind of let it sit on the soap a little bit and then make your own paste. I have also seen that you should do this before you do your foundation, but I really despise doing my eyebrows before foundation because I just feel like it just doesn't, it looks like out of place. It looks like you just slapped your brows on and your face is like, I don't know. It just, I feel like it doesn't melt, and then I feel like I'm gonna mess up my brows when I'm doing everything else to my face. Not my favorite thing to do at all. So yeah, hopefully this works. I've seen people do it both ways, but mostly seen people do it before they do their full face. But yeah, so I hope you can see this. So you're just gonna make this paste, and then you're gonna like kind of get all of it off of your brush. Like, you don't want that much on your brush, so you just need to like kind of take some more off of it. You see, until you get like a little on the brush, but you want it to be thick, that's for sure. So this is a very like, I don't know. It's giving me very hospital. So I'm just gonna start by brushing my brows up a little bit. And I think I'm the most, I don't know about the soap brow. They say it really keeps your brow in place and gives you that very feathered look. But at the same time, what if it's raining? Is your brow just gonna slide off? You know what I'm saying? Like, is your brow gonna slide off? I don't know, but if it's, that's just like what crosses my mind. But this is definitely laying them down like no other. Like, look at this. So first you just really want to stick them up. Okay, so you see how that really has them stuck down? We might be onto something. Now I'm gonna try to shape them. That is giving me. Gonna continue. Like, they're a little dried down now. And I feel like, I don't know, it has like a little bit of residue, but it doesn't look that bad. Like, I don't think it looks that bad. And my eyebrow is like glued to my face is what it feels like. Oh, not that little boy popping out. Like, it feels like it's glued to my face. Like, it really does. But not in like a uncomfortable way. But now I'm just gonna let this sit a little longer before I apply any products with color, like any eyebrow powder or any pencils, because you don't want it to mix with like soap, you know. And it'll create like a nice canvas to fill in the eyebrow a little bit more. And while I wait, I'm just gonna start doing the other eyebrow. So now I'm just gonna start filling my dry eyebrows in. I'm already like obsessed. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm already obsessed. This is such a cleaner brow than I ever have. And it's what I'm always trying to achieve. And it just doesn't get there. I feel like it makes the pencil work more like a pencil. It's everything. It really is. Okay. I probably could have stuck the hairs down in the front a little better, but I don't know, this is giving. I'm gonna try it with some powder to see how the powder reacts on it. The tip you always want more defined anyway, so. And sometimes I don't use the powder because I feel like it makes it look too dark. But with this soap, it really looks real good. Oh, see, that's what I don't like. Do you see those strokes in the front? That's why I try not to use powder too much, but on the tail it looks good. But these strokes in the front, boy, we gotta get those gone. It's a little too dark for the front. But for the edge, it's giving. It's definitely giving. Yeah. We might have done something right here. Why didn't someone tell me sooner? Okay, well, I gotta get that gone. I will say it might be a little harder to correct your mistakes. But, not that bad. I really like this. I mean, I feel like mine doesn't look as natural as some people's look. But I feel like it's laid down. And that's what I wanted the most out of everything, is my eyebrows to just lay down. Because some of the time they just like, they curl up way too much. I'm still trying to determine though, is this brow too big for my face? Maybe a little too big. Next time I might like try to make the soap squinch it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go with it for today. So these are the final brows. I'm like looking in the mirror over here, and I like them. They stick. Okay, they're in place. Like, I know you see this. I know you see this. Like, yes, it does make them thicker than I normally make my brows. Like, it is definitely thicker. But next time I will probably like smash them down and then like soap them to my face and then like kind of make them a little smaller to let me know, do you think this brow like size is too big for my face, or just the right size, or go bigger? Don't say go bigger, because no. But I don't know if it's too big or if actually like it's just right. I don't know. But overall I'm pretty satisfied with like soap brows. This is something that I wish I discovered a long time ago, because I can tell like as I move my eyebrows, like they're stuck down, like they're glued down, you feel me? And I like the look. It's like together, like it's together, it's smashed down, it's like a little natural, a little not, like, and the thing is my curly hairs that are kind of like right here are not going anywhere, and that's what I like. Like it looks good to me. It looks good. I'm liking it. It might be the new brow routine. And the things I went in with is this, my Fenty brow pencil in dark brown. And then I have this brow powder by Arches and Halos, Tanya Crooks. So I use those to fill them in. But yeah, if you haven't tried soap brows before, I highly suggest checking it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.